Is your 4th of July shaping up to be just another day off work? Another year of maybe seeing some fireworks, maybe grilling a few burgers, and then, poof, it's over? Not this year. This year, let's be intentional. Let's plan the perfect, most memorable, family-friendly 4th of July weekend, and we're starting right now. We truly believe that holidays are all about creating memories that last a lifetime, and the 4th of July is the perfect chance to do just that. It's one of the most beloved American holidays, with around 87% of people celebrating. So today, we're sharing our ultimate blueprint for a fantastic weekend. We'll take you from the buzzing energy of a local parade, to the delicious chaos of a backyard barbecue, and cap it all off with a spectacular fireworks finale that will leave your family in awe. This is your complete guide to a stress-free, super fun Independence Day weekend. For us, the perfect 4th of July always kicks off with a community parade. There's something truly magical about finding a spot on the curb, surrounded by neighbors and friends, watching as decorated floats, local marching bands, and classic cars roll by. It's the heartbeat of the holiday, a tradition that brings everyone together. Finding a local parade is easier than you'd think. A quick search on your town or city's website will usually have all the details. Now for the pro tips. Get there early. A good spot is everything. Bring blankets or lawn chairs to get comfortable, and don't forget water and snacks to keep everyone happy while you wait for the fun to start. To get the kids even more involved, we love having them help decorate their wagon or bikes with red, white, and blue streamers. Some parades even let kids join in for a portion of the route. Another fun idea is to create a patriotic scavenger hunt for the kids to do while they watch. Have them look for things like a specific type of float, a historic costume, or a funny hat. It keeps them engaged and adds another layer of fun to the morning. You'll often see a wonderful mix of classic traditions and modern creativity, like incredible hand-painted signs or other handmade crafts. After the parade, it's time for the main event, the Classic Backyard BBQ. This is where the holiday really feels like a celebration. Firing up the grill is a quintessential part of the day for millions of families. A whopping 66% of Americans celebrate the 4th with a cookout. We're talking classic American fare, juicy burgers, sizzling hot dogs, corn on the cob, and big, sweet slices of watermelon. But a great barbecue is about so much more than just the food. It's about the fun. We always set up a few outdoor games to get everyone moving. You can't go wrong with timeless activities like sack races or water balloon toss. For something a little different, we've found that giant lawn games like oversized Jenga or tic-tac-toe are a huge hit with all ages. Another idea we love is setting up a simple, DIY photo booth. Just hang a patriotic tablecloth as a backdrop, grab some fun props like hats and glasses, and let everyone capture silly, fun memories. And for the little ones? A craft station is a guaranteed winner. Set out supplies for them to make their own flags or patriotic hats. It keeps them entertained and gives them a festive souvenir to take home. It's also easy to make patriotic snacks, like fruit kebabs with strawberries, bananas, and blueberries. As the sun begins to set, the excitement builds for the grand finale. Local fireworks displays are often the star attraction of the holiday. Watching the sky light up with brilliant colors is the perfect way to end a day of celebration. Just like with the parade, pack your blankets and some snacks and find a cozy spot at a local park or community center to enjoy the show. Safety, of course, is the most important thing. The absolute safest way to enjoy fireworks is to attend a public show put on by professionals. If you're in an area where personal fireworks are legal and you choose to use them, please be incredibly careful. Always have a bucket of water or a hose nearby, and never let young children handle any fireworks. That includes sparklers, which can burn at temperatures hot enough to melt some metals. A fantastic alternative for kids are glow sticks. They're safe and just as exciting for them. In some areas, especially those with fire restrictions, communities are putting on incredible drone light shows. These are a safe and truly spectacular alternative. These synchronized aerial displays can create amazing patterns in the sky and are a fantastic, modern twist on a classic tradition. And that's our blueprint for a perfect 4th of July weekend. It's a day packed with community spirit, family fun, and moments you won't forget. From the morning parade to the evening fireworks, every part of the day is a chance to create a tradition your family will look forward to year after year. We would absolutely love to hear about your family's traditions. What's your can't miss 4th of July activity? Share your ideas and plans in the comments below. We're always looking for new ways to make the day special. If you enjoyed these tips and want more ideas for family-friendly fun, please give this a like and subscribe. From our family to yours, we hope you have a safe and happy 4th of July. You are invited to subscribe to Camaraderie Health Agency YouTube channel or go to www.camaraderiehealthagency.com or call 224-433-5754.